In this tutorial, I will teach you my super quick go-to blowout. We start with preparing the hair with product. I have chosen a light mousse. You could also use a light texture product with some thermal protectant or moisture cream. You can see how I zone out my sections. Before adding product, I have thoroughly towel dried the hair as much as possible. This will increase your blow dry speed. I start the blow dry in the fringe zone. Standing in front of my model, I direct the hair forward, stretching and smoothing the hair with my brush and with the airflow, creating a soft bend in the ends. I leave this section to set over my model's face. This will help to create a modern shape when brushed out. I continue to stand in front of my model, taking the whole side section in front of the ear, directing the hair forward, repeating the same process with the twisty blowout technique, smoothing the section on both sides, stretching and twisting while smoothing out our section. I find this method to dry the hair faster than just blow drying straight, as you can maintain maximum tension with the airflow. We continue this process in the top section, repeating on both sides until the front zone is complete. I have chosen to tong the curls out after my blowout. Skip to the next chapter if you'd like to move straight to the GHD tong styling. I complete the front section with 5 sections to work quickly and efficiently. We repeat the same process in the back zone, splitting the back zone into 2 sides, taking only 3 sections on both sides to work quick and efficiently. To increase speed, there is no need to focus on your curls or your twisty waves, as we will be creating them with our tongs. Drying the hair from damp to dry will help the blow dry to last longer. I also find this to be faster, especially when taking large sections. Also using the widest nozzle on the end of your blow dryer, as it increases the amount of airflow. Taking larger sections and working the airflow slowly from underneath and above your sections will reduce your blow drying time. If I wasn't tonging waves into this style at the end, I would use the cold setting on my hairdryer to smooth and set the waves into shape. We continue this method until we complete the blow dry. To create epic It Girl waves in the face frame, I am using my smallest tong. I gently spray out a light hairspray in every section for maximum hold. Standing in front of my model, I place my tong horizontal to my section and gently wrap the section around my tong, holding until the hair feels almost too hot to touch. We repeat this on both sides. I'm placing a small clip to set the fringe to accentuate the length towards her face shape, so when I brush it back out, it creates a little bit more edge and drama. We now tong the front side zones using my large GHD curved tong, placing my tong facing towards the face with my clamp underneath. I place the hair inside my tong. I roll the tong back up the section to place my first wave. I hold this section up to 30 seconds. I continue by rotating my tong 360 degrees. We now stretch the section out and roll our section back up to place the second wave. This is the method we use to create a twisty curve wave. We continue this until we run out of hair in each tonged section. To complete the top zone, I use my small tong and repeat the same process as our first section, combining different size and shaped tong waves will create more dimension and fun in the end result. I continue to use clips to set the hair into shape. We now repeat the same process on the opposite side, placing our tong into the opposite hand. We need to change our body position. You will notice that we have taken large sections, only 6 sections in total. This will dramatically increase your speed. If your client's requesting a tonged out, big bouncy look after a haircut, this is the perfect go-to when trying to accommodate a haircut and a big bouncy look all in one appointment time. The most important thing to consider is how long you heat the hair up for. The longer you heat the hair, and make sure it's thoroughly even throughout your section, and the cooling phase will ensure the best curly and long-lasting curly results. Be sure to use a thermal protectant to protect the hair. To complete the back zone, I am only using the large tong. This will help to accentuate the face frame's smaller tonged waves. We repeat the same method, swapping hands with every new section. This will change the wave's direction in each section, creating a more elevated result. If you have learnt something new, do me a favor and hit the like and subscribe icons. And be sure to hit the bell so you don't miss any new future tutorials. To dress and style my waves, I direct my model to face towards the ceiling. Using my wide tooth comb, I gently brush out her waves. Using a dry texture spray or dry shampoo to add texture and body into the hairstyle. This is my It Girl Epic Waves super quick blowout for the salon floor. If you like this tutorial, be sure to watch this one next, and be sure to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.